Hello, my name is Michael Brown. I am an attorney at DVG Law Partner. I represent individuals and companies in contract issues, including government contractors. In this video, I discuss 3 factors that make for a good legal case. And by a good case, I mean a situation that's likelier than not to be negotiated successfully, where a lawyer could help you negotiate better terms and better circumstances than you currently have, or where it's a situation that could be litigated and would be likelier to win than to lose. Before I get to those factors, a couple quick notes. One is that this video does not provide legal advice. If you want legal advice, you would need to talk to me or another attorney directly. Another quick note is that I think it's a good thing you're watching this video, and that, in other words, you have curiosity. I know in the regular world they say curiosity kills the cat, but in the legal world, curiosity, I think, is a great thing, and rather it is assumptions that kill the cat. If you assume that you have no case or a bad case, when in actuality you have a good case, and that assumption obviously could hurt you. On the flip side, if you in reality have a case that a lawyer would say is a bad case and unlikely to be negotiated or resolved through litigation successfully, but you assume wrongly that it's a good case, well, then there can be negative repercussions in that regard. For example, you could start a paper trail with the other party going back and forth that, unbeknownst to you, could be used against you later. So all that said, I'll get to the 3 factors. The first factor that makes for a good case is that you have had significant financial loss or significant potential financial loss. If you have not had a significant potential financial loss, chances are that it's not a good case worth pursuing through legal involvement of a lawyer or negotiation or litigation, because there can be scenarios where you wind up paying money out of pocket or incurring certain financial or other risks that outweigh the potential benefit if there's just little loss at issue that could be recovered. So the first factor in a good legal case is that there's significant financial loss or potential financial loss. The second factor in a good legal case is the opposing party or parties are viable financially. They are able to pay if you succeed in a negotiation or litigation. You're not squeezing blood from a turnip, so to speak. Now, in the government contracting realm, this is seldom an issue, but in the private sector, it can be more of an issue with more risks that opposing parties may not be able to pay out what's necessary when all is said and done if you're successful. The third factor involved in a good potential legal case, the merits are strong. Merits meaning based on the facts and circumstances at issue and the laws at issue, you are likelier to succeed than to lose in terms of negotiation or litigation. A lot of times people will think of that last factor first, or think it's the only thing they think about, is winning or losing or the merits. But if you don't have all 3 of those factors in place, including the financial loss, the viability of the opposing party or ability of them to pay for that financial loss, and then third and last but not least, the merits, if those things aren't all in place, then it won't be a case worth pursuing. Just like a stool has 3 legs and it won't stand if it only has 2 or 1 leg, if all 3 of these factors are not present for your situation, you don't have a good case. If all 3 are present, chances are you have a good case. And it's probably worthwhile to speak with an attorney if you want an attorney's help in moving forward. It's also more likely an attorney will be willing to provide a free phone or office consultation, or to talk for a lower charge than normal, the stronger the potential case is. Hope this all is helpful, and feel free to contact me if you wish to discuss any of this further.